Hello, my name is Tabs and I work in the Healthy Lifestyles team for Link4Life. So today we're going to be making some really easy recipes from leftover things that you already have in the fridge, because the kids have gone back into school, so we want everybody's busy as well. So we're going to do some really nice rice and pasta balls. So these are what we're going to make. Okay, so can you see they're really nice, and in the middle they're really soft as well and crunchy on the outside. So these are really simple. So basically you just have, I've got some about a cup of boiled rice from last night, and also a cup of pasta which I've chopped up finely as well, and I've added like a cup of sweet corn in. You can add peas in there, you can add spinach in there, you can add whatever you've got, so you can add whatever you've got in there. So and then I've added some mozzarella cheese, about a handful of mozzarella cheese in there. I've added lots of herbs. I've added some spices in there like turmeric and cumin and coriander, just a little bit. Lots of black pepper. Like I said, you can spice things up with a little bit of spices, not overpowering. Cheese, sweet corn, rice and pasta, and chopped coriander. I've added a green chilli in there just for the kick. So you're just mixing it all together. So can you see it's quite sticky as well. So once you've done that, you can just make little balls like that. Okay, so these are your balls. Can you see they stick quite nicely together as well, and the cheese gives it a really nice stringy sort of texture as well. So you can dip these in eggs, but personally I don't like the egg smell, so I'm just dipping it in milk. And then I've got some breadcrumbs here. Normally I would do my own. I would mix either the brown stale bread and the white bread, and so this has no salt in it. This is natural breadcrumbs. Okay, so, and cheese is quite salty as well, so we're not adding any salt into there because the rice already had salt in. So once this is coated, what we have here is I've heated the pan up, and we are just very, it's not even shallow frying, it's just a little bit of oil in there. If you've got non-stick, or you can do them in the oven as well. I'm just going to turn the heat up. There's not to burn. Okay, so here I've got tomato sauce in there. So what I've done is I have just added some tin tomatoes in there, tomato puree, lots of herbs, lots of black pepper again, and I find that it's quite tarty sometimes, the tin tomatoes, so I've added some cream cheese in there as well, like Philadelphia or any normal cream cheese. Aldi and Lidl do just as nice, for even half the price, not even, it's even cheaper. Okay, so then once that's cooking away, okay, I just added some sauce into there as well, and some tomatoes and some salad. So I do hope that you will make these. These are really quick and simple. It should be online, all the recipes that we have been showing you how to do. If you have any suggestions, then obviously you can also comment and let us know which recipes you would like us to make. So enjoy. Like I said, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.